Here are the top 5 most expensive helicopters in the U.S. military. You won't believe. First is literally named King. Number 5, UH-60 Black Hawk, about $21 million each. The backbone of U.S. Army transport. Insanely reliable and battle-proven. Number 4, AH-1Z Viper, around $31 million. A pure attack helicopter with insane agility and modern sensors. Number 3, CH-53E Super Stallion, nearly $40 million. This thing lifts tanks, literally. One of the strongest helicopters ever built. Number 2, MV-22 Osprey, a shocking $80 million. Half helicopter, half plane, all chaos. Crazy speed and massive range. Number 1, CH-53K King Stallion, over $100 million per unit. The most expensive helicopter ever put in service. It lifts 36,000 pounds, almost double the previous generation. If you want a top 5 fastest jets next, tell me in the comments.